GummySearch to search all of Reddit if you like, but I'm going to show you how to search for a particular keyword within your target audience. So let's say in digital marketers, we're going to search for analytics tool. Just type it in right here, and we're going to see the 100 most recent conversations that mention analytics tool within these 12 subreddits. You can sort it by upvotes, comments. You can also look at the aggregate charts here and target ones that fit your needs. So let's say we want to look at the ones that are have the highest amount of upvotes, 9+. They are text, and then the conversation is live, not removed or deleted yet. Now we have these 6 results of exactly what it is that you're looking for. If you want to get notified of new conversations that contain the words analytics tool within the digital marketers audience, you can go ahead and track this search just like that.